For sure, that's the usual way of how you breathe. But not to make you go overthink. Are you sure that you're breathing the right way? Or rather bracing? And how and when do you know when you're actually breathing or bracing? Of course, you already know what breathing is, and maybe you first heard of the term bracing. For starter, breathing is simply the inhaling and exhaling of oxygen from our lungs, just like what we do now. The intensity of breathing depends on the situation. Before we can really grasp breathing exercises, it's crucial to understand how our body breathes through the diaphragm, or the muscle located on the bottom of our ribcage, which contracts and depresses as we inhale. The lungs expand, store air, and the intercostal muscles located between your ribs contract to pull your ribcage up and outward. Breathing is a piece of cake. To start a better way to breathe, it begins with a great straight posture, which promotes easy passage of air into and out of the lungs for carbon dioxide, whether you're sitting or standing. In instance that you're feeling unimpeded, you just need to take a moment to adjust your body. A straight back uplifts the respiration of your bloodstream and brain. So in order to properly execute breathing, you just need to sit or stand up straight, chin up, and most importantly, inhale, then exhale. Now, it is different when we do the bracing. Bracing is the action of producing 360 degrees of intra-abdominal pressure to activate the core musculature and keep the spine in a desired position while moving and or exposing the spine to the load. The pressure within your abdomen caused by the interaction of the abdominal wall and surrounding tissue is known as the intra-abdominal pressure. In order to properly execute bracing, first of all, we need to try it by laying down on our back before attempting it. And what should you do next is that first, lay backwards with your legs extended. Second, inhale deeply and let the air fill your tummy. Third, bring your ribs down to your pelvis just a little bit. And lastly, but definitely not the least, bend your lower back and squeeze your stomach like you're going to get punched. Bracing is crucial for many factors such as to maintain the torso in the most advantageous position for a specific activity like a squat or deadlift. It's crucial to brace before lowering yourself and to keep bracing throughout a hard squat. As a result of the tension that has built up inside your abdominal cavity, you will remain in a powerful and secure position that will allow you to exert more effort. Now finally wrapping this all up with a quote, as what Giovanni Papini said, breathing is the greatest pleasure in life. To avoid confusion, remember that breathing is simply the relaxing inhaling and exhaling. It is labeled as the lower threshold activity. Meanwhile, bracing is the forceful holding of breath that utilizes a higher threshold strategy to stabilize the thorax and pelvis. Crystal clear, breathing is one of the roots or the basic act for the human existence. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.